Welcome back to Vandemic Campervans. I'm Rick. We're here in our latest client build. It's a 159 Highroof Promaster. It's got a little twist on a new layout. Can't wait to show you. Starting with the kitchen, we have our paper towel holder and built-in spice racks. This client is on the road quite a bit and asked for a small TV mount just under the kitchen pantry. The water pump turn on is very easy to access, and when on helps provide a nice steady stream of water through the pull down faucet into the nice deep sink. And we also add an undermounted 10-gallon gray water tank with a push button release. The kitchen has a good sized cutlery drawer, perfect for all of your van life essentials. A 2-burner stove brings home cooked meals on the road a possibility, and a 16-inch flip-up adds to the counter space. The Isotherm 85 gives 3 cubic feet of fridge and freezer space. Under the sink is ample storage along with your on and off switch to the 12-volt water heater, a Blue Technologies water filter, and 2 cubbies for your propane tanks. The living room has 3 overhead cabinets that are all dressed very nicely with leather handles and provide lots of space for storage. On the wall you've got your Webasto heater thermostat, a battery monitor, inverter controller, and then finally some outlets and a light switch. This layout is a little combo of our shelter build and Bonnie build. We've got a huge AMA slider window with a screen and some beautiful select blind pull-down blackout shades. The twist in this van is the placement of the OGO composting toilet. What a view you're gonna have while you're doing your business. A must in all our builds, 2 swivel seats. The bedroom has a comfy 6-inch memory foam short queen mattress. We put the 2 largest overhead cabinets in the bedroom for all of your clothes. Another AMA slider window brings in additional light and some airflow into the bedroom. A Vandemic build will always have 2 reading lights with 2 different settings. A Vandemic staple is our cubby off the back of the bed for additional storage. We equip almost all of our vans with 2 max air fans to maximize airflow. With most vans having a limited footprint, we do our best to maximize storage space in our garages. Here you have your water fill, an outdoor hot shower, and a window to the 36-gallon freshwater tank. The electric is all housed on the driver's side. This one has a 3,000 watt Victron inverter, a Victron battery to battery, and a Victron solar charge controller. Rounding out the electric is a huge Battleborn battery bank. 2 270 lithium-ion batteries for a whopping 540 total amp hours. The exterior of the van has a sleek, flatline Van Company roof rack which houses 400 watts of solar. Thank you so much for making it all the way to the end and checking out this new layout. We love it. Do us a favor, give us a thumbs up. Also, drop a comment below of what you liked best about this build. It helps us out just to know what you all like in bettering our builds in the future. We'll catch you on the next one. Thank you again.